Welcome back to my Subaru. I've been working on my hair a little bit lately, trying to get a little less frizzy, get the curls to come out a little bit better, and that always means trying new products, and some of them don't work out. I have discovered in the last year that a lot of places will actually take products back after you've tried them. 4 products that I'm taking back, and I thought I would tell you what I'm taking back and why. These 3 are from Target, and Target is really good about taking returns, so I don't expect any issues. I'm outside Walgreens right now. Let me tell you about the product I'm trying to return there. I read their policy. I think they will at least give me store credit, and since I'm really not going to use this one, might as well try it. This is the Maui Moisture Thicken and Restore Bamboo Fibers Blowout Mist. That is a long name. It is for weak and brittle hair. I thought maybe, even though I don't blow dry my hair, that it might be a nice like a finishing spray. It is sticky, sticky, sticky. I don't even know, but definitely not keeping that. I've used it a couple times and it's just, ew. Jane Carter Solution Curls to Go Mist Me Over Curl Hydrator. I picked this up from a video from Bianca Renee, who I thought would never recommend a product that had silicones in it. Just picked it up right after I saw her video. I happened to be going into Target. I picked it up. She loved it. And then huge in the description and comments and stuff, and pinned comment and everything underneath this, please, no, this has silicones in it. But I hadn't even read that, and I didn't even read the ingredients because I thought she wouldn't recommend something that had silicones in it. If you're not familiar with the Curly Girl method, you usually avoid silicones. I'm not 100% Curly Girl method at all. I'm not opposed to silicones. I just usually find that they agree with my hair for a week or so, and then my hair starts misbehaving. What I can tell you about this product, because I used it for a few days before, I do really like the sprayer. It gets a lot of product out there. I mean, I only used it a few times, and that's a lot gone, really. This made the floors slippery. And I thought, and I haven't used it in weeks, and the floors are still a little bit slippery. A little more plastic than I really want to be coating my hair with, I think. So that's going back. This is the Jane Carter Solution Love Your Hair Revitalizing Leave-In Conditioner. It's okay. You kind of have to use a lot of it. It's a leave-in conditioner. My hair doesn't get along that well with leave-in conditioners. It tends to make my hair sticky. I actually do better leaving in a little bit of regular conditioner. I have high porosity hair, so my hair will absorb a lot. But for whatever reason, leave-in conditioners tend to stay on top of it and not go in. It says detangler and heat protector for all types and textures, enriched with aloe vera. And honestly, I think when I bought this, I thought I was ordering something from their curl line and not their general line. It's fine. It's a fine leave-in conditioner. It is water, aloe, chamomile extract, a bunch of plant extracts. So it's like mostly water and aloe vera, which is fine. It's kind of expensive and you need it. You seem to use a lot. I don't even know. Don't love it. This I don't know why I picked up. This is the Shea Moisture Mongongo and Hemp Seed Oil High Porosity Moisture Correct Styling Gel. And it does have protein in it, which made me a little, I don't know why I picked it up, because my hair likes protein. I think my hair will absorb a lot of protein, sometimes too much. I have to be judicious with it. You hear that high porosity hair needs protein. Mine will take so much protein in, my hair will tend to feel stiff after I use it. I remember one time, the first time I used, it wasn't even a deep conditioner, it was just a regular conditioner that had protein in it. I'm in the shower, put it in my hair. There's nothing to rinse out because it's like my hair drank it. And my hair probably needs some protein, but it will take in too much protein. I have to make sure it's really well moisturized before I put protein in it. So I don't know why I bought this product, because I knew it would make me a little bit nervous. I don't really like the texture of it. I don't know. It's a gel. I have a spray gel that I really like. And let me know if you'd like to hear about the products that I like, by the way. It smells weird. It doesn't feel like gel, though. I don't know, the second ingredient is maltodextrin, which is less sugar, and that doesn't surprise me because it kind of feels like syrup on my fingers. And something that feels like syrup on your fingers, once it dries, feels like dried syrup on your fingers. And if you put it in your hair, it feels like dried syrup in your hair. So we're going to go with, this one made my hair frizzy, this one made my floor slippery, this one made my hair sticky, and this one made my hair crunchy. Thanks for hanging in with me. If you have any products you'd like to see me try, let me know below. And let me know below if you'd like to hear the products that have been working for me lately. See you soon. I have 2 try-ons that I've shot. I need to keep shooting. I wanted to give you this one because I knew I could get it to you quickly. I have another line in post, and I have a denim skirt try-on, which they're going to take me a hot minute to put it together. Let me know which you'd like to see first. I'm thinking I'll do the denim skirts, but let me know.